A rendered image is the sum of several intermediate images. You can think of this as layers in Photoshop. Each layer represents a single property, such as diffuse color, glossiness, transmission, etc. You can see these passes in the related menu of the Viewport Shading button. But why do we care about these passes? This because we can fine-tune each pass in post-production separately. So, for example, if we want to change the glossiness property of the vase, we can do that without rendering again the scene. So, open the View Layer Property tab. Check the passes you need, for example the direct glossy and other passes. Now, open the Compositing view. Here you can see all the passes you activated. Suppose we want to reduce the reflection of the light. This is stored in the Diffuse Direct pass. First of all, we have to rebuild the original image by adding the single passes. If you press Ctrl and Shift, and then click on the Render Layers icon, you can see the single passes. The diffuse color represents the basic color of the model. The diffuse indirect is the light reflected in the scene, so we have to mix those channels with the screen factor. You have to reduce the factor to get the right result. The diffuse direct pass contains shadows and shades, so it has to be multiplied by the previous mix. Then we have the glossy direct and indirect, which represent the light reflected in the model. They have to be added to the compositing with the Add mode. Now you can tweak each pass in order to get what you want. For example, you can reduce the reflection in the vase by decreasing the related factor. This is also true for shadows and other properties. In this way, you can precisely change the appearance of your scene without having to render it again.